Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Flow. I'm Olivia Hart, and I'm so happy you joined us.
And I'm Ethan Cole. Today we're going to help you speak natural English with 200 real-life phrases. This will be super useful for everyday conversations.
That's right, Ethan. Many learners try to memorize words, but it's phrases that help you sound natural, short, real sentences you can actually use.
Exactly. Confidence comes when you practice real sentences every day. And the more you repeat, the faster your brain and mouth work together.
So let's start by saying something simple together. I speak English naturally.
I feel confident every day.
I can use English in real life.
That's the power of practicing phrases. Now let's start with daily greetings.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. It's a beautiful day.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. And you?
I'm from London. These sentences are simple but very useful for starting conversations.
Now let's try checking on someone's day. How was your day?
My day was good. How about yours?
I'm a little tired, but happy.
I'm busy, but everything is fine.
I'll call you later.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
That sounds great.
I agree with you. These are sentences you can use every day.
Now let's move to workplace phrases.
I'm working on a new project.
I have a meeting at 3 p.m.
Let's discuss this later.
I'll send you the details.
Please check your email.
I need more time to finish this task.
That's fine. Take your time.
I'll finish it soon.
Thank you for your help.
I appreciate your support.
See how confident you sound with short sentences?
Now let's practice expressing feelings.
I'm happy today.
I feel a little nervous.
I'm excited about this opportunity.
I'm worried about my exam.
Don't worry, I believe in you.
Thank you. I'm proud of my progress.
I'm grateful for your support.
Now let's look at opinions and ideas.
I think this is a good idea.
I don't think so.
Maybe you're right.
I'm not sure.
It depends on the situation.
That makes sense.
You have a point.
I see what you mean.
Let's try again. We can do better.
Short phrases are easy to remember, easy to use, and they sound natural.
Let's practice daily routine phrases.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I go to work by car.
I have lunch at noon.
I exercise in the evening.
I watch TV at night.
I read before bed.
I'm learning English every day.
I practice speaking daily.
I want to improve.
These sentences help you talk about your life confidently.
Now let's finish part 1 with some travel and shopping sentences.
Excuse me, where is the station?
It's near the bank.
How much is this?
It's $10.
That's too expensive.
We have a discount today.
I'd like to buy it.
Can I get a bag?
Thank you very much.
Simple, short, real sentences you can use immediately.
Keep repeating these phrases.
Practice daily and your English will start to feel natural.
Welcome back to part 2. If you are still listening, that means you are serious about improving your English.
Absolutely. Confidence grows step by step. Every phrase you repeat makes you stronger.
Let's start with social and casual conversation phrases that you can use with friends and family.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to visit my family. What about you?
I'm thinking of going hiking. Do you want to join us?
I'd love to, but I'm busy tonight.
No problem. Maybe next time.
That's fine. Let's meet tomorrow instead.
Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. I had a great time last weekend.
See? Short, natural sentences like these help you connect with people easily.
Now let's practice problem-solving phrases for real life.
There's a small problem we need to fix.
Don't worry. Let's stay calm and think clearly.
What's the issue?
I made a mistake in the report.
That's okay. We all make mistakes.
I'll correct it right now.
Perfect. This shows confidence and professionalism.
Let's move on to shopping and travel phrases. These are phrases you will really use every day.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
I'd like to buy this shirt.
Can you try it on?
Yes, thank you. Do you have a smaller size?
Here you go.
How much is it?
$20.
That's too expensive.
We have a discount today.
Great, I'll take it.
These sentences are simple but make you sound fluent in everyday situations.
Now let's practice future and goal phrases.
I'm going to start a new course.
I will study harder this year.
I will not give up on my dreams.
I'm going to wake up early every day.
I will practice English daily.
I believe I can improve.
My future is bright. Say that again with confidence. My future is bright.
Great. Let's review some important vocabulary we've used so far.
Discount means a lower price. For example, this shirt has a discount today.
Issue means a problem. For example, there's an issue with my homework.
Correct means to fix something wrong. I will correct my mistake.
Professional means acting responsible and skilled. She is very professional at work.
Confident means you believe in yourself. I am confident I can do it.
Now let's do question and answer practice. Speak in full sentences in your mind.
Ethan, what will you do if you feel nervous speaking English?
I will take a deep breath and continue speaking.
What are you going to improve this month?
I'm going to improve my pronunciation and vocabulary.
How do you feel about your progress?
I feel proud and motivated.
Very good. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in full sentences. Why are you learning English? How often do you practice? What is your goal?
Always use complete sentences. This builds fluency in natural speech.
Now we'll do shadowing practice. Repeat after us, loudly and confidently.
I speak English naturally.
I am improving every day.
I am brave enough to start conversations.
I can express my ideas clearly.
I am proud of my progress.
I will keep practicing every day.
I will never give up.
Mistakes help me grow.
I believe in myself.
Feel the power in these sentences. They build your confidence step by step.
Keep repeating these phrases daily.
And remember, the more you speak, the more natural your English becomes. Welcome to part 3. If you've made it this far, I want to say you're doing amazing. Most people give up early, but not you.
Absolutely. You've already practiced hundreds of real-life sentences. Now let's take it further and use even more natural phrases in everyday situations.
Let's start with friendly conversations.
Hi, Olivia. Are you free right now?
I'm a little busy, but I can talk for 5 minutes.
Perfect. I need your opinion on something.
Sure. What do you think about this plan?
I think it's a good idea, but we need a little more time.
That makes sense. Let's work on it together.
Thank you. I appreciate your support.
You're welcome. Together, we can handle anything.
See how natural short sentences sound? That's exactly what real English sounds like.
Now, let's practice phrases at home with family or friends.
How was your day?
It was long, but productive.
That's great.
I'm a little tired, but I'm happy.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Short, simple phrases make daily life easier. You feel confident immediately.
Let's review important vocabulary from today's practice.
Productive means doing useful things. For example, today was a productive day.
Opinion means what you think about something. What's your opinion on this movie?
Plan means something you want to do in the future. I have a plan for tomorrow.
Support means help from someone. Thank you for your support.
Confidence means a strong belief in yourself. I speak English with confidence.
Understanding words clearly makes your English sound natural and fluent.
Now let's do a deeper question and answer practice. Answer in full sentences.
Why do you want to speak English confidently?
I want to speak English confidently to grow in my career.
What do you do every day to improve?
I practice speaking and listening every day.
What will you do if someone corrects your mistake?
I will thank them and learn from it.
How do you feel about your progress?
I feel proud and motivated.
Excellent. Answering in full sentences builds real fluency.
Now we'll do our final shadowing practice. Speak with strength and belief. Repeat after us.
I speak English confidently.
I am improving step by step.
Every day I become better.
Mistakes help me grow.
I am calm when I speak.
I am brave enough to start conversations.
I can share my ideas clearly.
I am proud of myself.
I will keep practicing.
I will never give up on my goals.
I believe in myself.
These sentences are powerful. Repeat them daily and you will feel confident speaking in real life.
You practiced 200 real-life phrases today. That's incredible progress.
If you use these sentences daily, your English will sound natural, fluent, and confident.
Speak in front of the mirror. Speak while walking. Speak even when you're alone. That's how fluency is built.
Do not wait for perfect English. Start with simple phrases. Confidence comes from practice.
Always compare yourself to yesterday, not others. Small progress is still progress.
Before we finish, let's say 3 powerful sentences together.
I am strong.
I am capable.
I am becoming fluent in English.
Keep believing in yourself.
Keep practicing every day.
This is Ethan Cole.
And this is Olivia Hart.
Thank you for learning with us.
Speak confidently, sound natural, and see you in the next episode.